Justin Germino from DragonBlogger.com here, and I'm showing you how to configure Firebot, which is used to do your Mixplay customization buttons and commands, to work from a remote computer, or act like a cloud bot, so that way you can access it even when you're not on a computer. Let's say your friend streams to your channel and he has your Mixer API key, and you want to be able to show your Firebot overlay on his stream, even though he's not physically running Firebot with your configuration on his computer. So I'm going to show you how to do that with Firebot. So first of all, what is Mixplay and what is Firebot? I'm not going to go into too much detail, but I'm just going to show you what it looks like. So this is my Mixer.com Dragonblogger channel. When you are partnered or you're affiliated with Mixer, you can get a Mixplay button. Here you can activate it and you can do all sorts of cool things and have like buttons show up, GIFs, play audio files, all sorts of neat stuff you could do. You could charge people Sparks to create those interactions, or you could have them do them for free, or only have access to them if they're a subscriber or a follower, etc. There's a lot of flexibility. So one of the programs you can use to help modify and create these Mixplay buttons is Firebot. Firebot also can be used to create chat commands, like in your chat where I have, commands, and I could do various things like firework, listing commands, things like that. You could just do that with Firebot. Here's my list of commands right here. So I could do about James, and I could show you all the details about James on our channel. So those are Firebot commands, which are set up with all my Firebot commands that basically feed that. Now, the Firebot commands will work no matter what, even if somebody else is streaming to your Mixer channel, because those command bots are triggered because they read the chat and it connects to the chat, and then they trigger the commands to respond. It's only really the buttons that require and the overlay that you put on either Streamlabs, Stream Elements, or OBS or OBS Studio, where you need to actually put the overlay. So how that looks in OBS is you have your stream window or your scene, you have your Firebot overlay, and I'll go into properties on that. And normally when you install Firebot, you'll see your overlay will have the default of, localhost and the port number 7473/overlay. That's basically using your local computer's IP, port 7473, to basically contact and overlay the information in your overlay on your stream, right? But obviously somebody from the internet or another computer can't access your local host, so you need to be able to set up port forwarding so that way a remote PC can connect to your PC. You do that going into your firewall rules. So assuming that doesn't matter what router you have, you'll go into your firewall rules. It doesn't matter what router you have, you go into your firewall rules, you go into your port forwarding, and you're going to set up two Firebot ports. You're going to forward 7473 and 8080, find your computer IP that's running Firebot locally, and you're going to route that to your local IP. So the port range publicly, the port range locally is going to be the same. Just for error side, put both UDP and TCP as the protocols. Add those into your port forwarding, click apply, right? Then you want to get your public IP by doing find my IP or whatever. And then you're going to want to provide your public IP address and instead change this URL to being your public IP address. Like it was 68.875.222 and then 7473/overlay, or whatever IP address is your public IP address, you'll actually put it there as the public IP address. And then, just to be on the safe side, you may want to go into your Firebot and disconnect and reconnect just to make sure everything's working, and then have whoever's connecting to your PC or streaming with OBS Studio, have them start a stream and try to trigger those Firebot buttons and see if they trigger Mixplay effects on your stream. Generally, that should work. I didn't have an issue. What I forgot to do originally was, when I had the issue, was I forgot that you also need to do the WebSocket port 8080. I was only doing 7473, and so I saw on my OBS Studio screen an error connecting to port 8080. You have to do both of those ports. So other than that, that's how you can connect to your Firebot remotely on a separate machine that may be across the internet that you want to connect to your home machine serving Firebot, or if you want to have another streamer guest stream on your Mixer channel and you want to have your Firebot overlay work with your Mixplay buttons, that's how you accomplish that. Thank you for watching. Leave any questions in the comments. I'll try to find the answers for you.